What's up, guys? It's Guru here, and I just want to let you guys know that we've started a new thing called Guru's Garage. We're going to be tackling product reviews, how-tos, and even full-on builds. The first review is a brand new product from my friends over at Banks Engineering. What is it, you ask? It's the Pedal Monster from Banks Engineering. It's the first of its kind OBD2 connected throttle sensitivity controller for both your gas and your diesel vehicles. It's controlled with the Banks mobile app on your telephone or your Banks iDash. Pedal Monster is the only module of its kind to offer safety features like active safety, reverse safety, and adjustable low-speed trim. Some of the notable features include city, sport, and track modes, each with 10 different levels of sensitivity. Easy to install, simply plug and play right into your OBD2 connection. If you don't know where that's at, it's typically found right underneath your steering wheel in the center of your dash. It's got active safety fail-safe circuitry with health monitoring in real time. Reverse safety, which is going to turn your guys' pedal back to stock settings when you're in reverse gear. Adjustable low-speed trim controls how fast the sensitivity is added when you guys are at lower speeds. It's all powered through your 12-volt OBD2, not your low overhead pedal circuit. It's controlled by your iDash Data Monster, iDash Super Gauge, or the Banks mobile app on both Android and iOS platforms. View your Pedal Monster's activity in real time via your iDash or your mobile app. It's warranty friendly, it does not leave a footprint, and best of all, guys, it's emissions compliant. The customizable features include City, Sport, and Track having 10 different levels of refinement. This is going to allow you to tune out any dead spots found in your OEM pedals. Making your throttle more responsive, Pedal Monster can be adjusted on the fly through the iDash or your mobile device. To do this, you simply take your foot off the pedal momentarily, adjust the mode, and set the sensitivity level. It's that easy, guys. How is it controlled? Pedal Monster, again, guys, is controlled with your iDash, your Data Monster, your Super Gauge, or the mobile app for both iOS and Android. View and monitor Pedal Monster's activity in real time. When used with iDash, you can monitor vital engine and transmission OBD2 data, control your Pedal Monster, Derringer tuner, or many other Banks modules. The OBD2 connection, Pedal Monster is the only, and I stress only, throttle sensitivity controller connected via the vehicle's OBD2 port for onboard diagnostics, reading vehicle data, allowing for unmatched control, and best of all, safety. OBD2 makes it possible to do the following. Safety, super important. Pedal Monster is the only throttle sensitivity device with active safety. In the event of an internal or external circuit failure, the system seamlessly returns the pedal back to stock. When all other devices fail, it leaves the vehicle inoperable, oftentimes leading to very dangerous situations. Could you guys imagine losing power while you're passing on a 2-lane road while heading into oncoming traffic? Not a place I'd like to lose power. All modern pedals, they communicate with the vehicle's ECM via 2 distinct points, apt1 and apt2. This is done for safety. Pedal Monster's health monitoring constantly checks those signals, linearity between both of those signals, and monitors input and output values. It monitors the health of the Pedal Monster 100 times a second. In the event the system reveals any malfunction, the Pedal Monster instantly bypasses itself, sets a device code, and returns it back to stock settings. Pedal Monster's internal circuitry is powered by the reliable 12-volt OBD connector. Competition devices, currently they do low overhead pedal circuit at 5 volts, often rendering your vehicle inoperable, leading to very dangerous situations. Reverse safety, Pedal Monster will return the vehicle to stock throttle in reverse, when you guys are going in reverse, like in parking lots, things like that. Adjustable low-speed trim, this feature is going to allow you to adjust the rate at the Pedal Monster adds the sensitivity at speeds when you're under 10 miles an hour. This is going to help you guys to avoid spinning your tires at low speed, turns on slippery surfaces, while level 0, off low-speed trim, levels 2 through 5 increase, minimize throttle boosting from 0 to 5. By 10 miles an hour, the Pedal Monster will boost the throttle normally. This adjustment helps with low-speed drivability during parking lot maneuvering, icy roads, and while allowing you to use more aggressive mode at a level at the same time. For example, if you like track mode but you don't want to slip while driving slowly on icy roads, simply set the low-speed trim to level 5. You can also select transmission type. Automatic is the default, or manual. The manual transmission setting does less boosting, 0 to 20%, pedal travel range when compared to the automatic. This improves drivability during clutch engagement, guys. And at the end of the day, again, guys, I can't stress to you enough how easy this is to install. It comes in a package just like this. you get it straight from Banks, guys. Head over there and get you one right now. I promise, especially if you have a gas vehicle, these things are going to be something that you feel instantly. There's a lot of claims out there on the market for things like exhaust and plug and play tuners and things of that nature. But I tell you what, when you guys tap into your pedal's actual ability, that's when you feel a difference. And trust me, I've done this a lot of years. Super easy to install. Guys, plug this right into your OBD port. Again, if you don't know where it's at, it's right under your steering wheel in the center of the dash. Looks just like that. Plug and play, run your wiring, disconnect the pedal pigtail that's currently on the pedal. You bypass it, plug this in, and you're ready to rock and roll, guys. I'm gonna install this and we're gonna go for a ride and see how it goes. So here we have my brand new 2020 Ram 3500 Limited, and I'm gonna be doing the install. Guys, it's really easy. So this is your OBD2 connector that is gonna be plugging into your vehicle's OBD2 connector. So it's really, really simple, guys. You reach underneath your dash, you find the right location, and it's that easy, guys. That's plugged on there. So next you wanna do is you wanna disconnect, which I've already done, the throttle pedal connector that's already connected to your pedal. And all you're gonna do is you're going to plug it into here, you're gonna bypass and plug this one into your pedal, and you're good to go. It's that simple, guys. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive. So one's done, plugging in the second one, just moving the cords out of the way. It's that easy. It's done. All you want to do is hide these wires. Right now, we're just going to go for a test drive, and I want to see how different this thing is with the pedal monster. So let's go. All right, guys, so what I've done, I have my iPhone here. I've typed in Gale Banks Engineering in your app store, and all I want to do is I want to download this app, and I'm going to hide my code. I'm going to download this, and we're going to see what happens. So in order to pair this, your vehicle has to be running, and to pair it, you have to press the button on the pedal monster in order to pair. That will blink orange in order for it to do so. You want to hit confirm, and basically it was that simple. I've already paired my device. So now I can basically take my vehicle and calibrate my vehicle, hit begin, and basically it says, depress your pedal, wide open throttle. That's it, guys. Get started. Now basically what I can do is I can select my vehicle, and I'm gonna go to Ram, newer, good, automatic, submit, register now, and pretty much easy, guys. All right, guys, so now that I've punched in all my personal information, I went back to the app and it's updating the firmware. Before I can use it, it has to go through these steps and get all this information in order to do so. So it's gonna take a couple seconds to fill your information in and then let the thing update. And once you've done that, pretty sure you can set your sensitivity mode, track, city, or sport, and just kind of get to work. So we're gonna let this upload, and then we're gonna get onto a test drive. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bad boy for a test drive and see what happens. Now that I've got everything installed on the Banks unit, and we've got the app, it's gonna show right here that we're at sensitivity level 5, and it's pretty cool because it shows you both the OEM pedal and what it's done with the Banks module. So we're gonna take this thing for a test drive on this level and see what it does, and then we'll show you guys the next sensitivity level. So here we go. So instantly, I can feel a lot more pull. This is on city mode. It's quite a bit different than stock, but it's still not really crazy. Not too super excited about it, but I can definitely feel that there's a difference. The pedal just feels a lot like there's a lot less drag behind it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull over because you have to stop in order to change the settings. And we're gonna switch this thing into sport mode and see what happens. So I'm gonna pull over and then we'll adjust and we'll do it from there. All right, so what I've done is I went into sport mode here, and it's on sensitivity level 5, and we're gonna go for a rip and see what happens. So here we go. So on this one, I could definitely feel a little bit more of an increase. I would say it's probably about a, whoa, that kind of kicked in. So second and third gear, it's a significant difference. From the jump, I would say it's probably about 25-30% better than the OEM application. But as we got going, it was insane. So last setting, we're gonna do the track mode and see what happens. So I'm gonna pull over. We're gonna show you guys one more time the track mode, and we're gonna hopefully see an even bigger difference and crazier change. All right, so now we're gonna do track on level 10 just for fun and see what happens. This is the highest setting they have on the Banks module, the pedal monster, and hopefully it's a massive difference because I can already kind of feel it in the pedal. So here we go, we're gonna take off and see what happens. So I'm gonna get a little slow roll and then I'm gonna step on the, so instantly it's got a lot more pull. Wow, and it's pulling so hard. Second, third gear, I'm just, wow. I'm already at 85 miles an hour. This is not a tune. It does not add horsepower. This is absolutely crazy what this does. I would honestly venture to say that my pedal went from a brick to butter with this last setting in track mode. This is crazy. This is not adding any power. It's giving me access to the power and torque that I already have. And as you get in second gear and beyond, this thing just pulls so hard. It's almost like it's not even the same truck. Guys, this is a one-time truck. I mean, this thing was gutless turd box before, and now with this, I didn't add power, but it feels like I did. Right now, I'm going up a significant grade on that track mode. I mean, I'm just stepping on it, and I mean, you can see the torque in my body. Absolutely crazy, guys. If you don't have the new pedal monster from Banks, you need to go out and get it right now. Again, I told you guys, if you have a gas vehicle, there's no better difference in this. I stand by that. Go get yourself one. I love it. It's probably the best thing I've done to my Ram to date. It's the brand new 2020 Ram Limited 3500, and the only thing I have done to it is the Banks pedal monster, and I kind of feel like that's all I need. But as you can see, like, I'm ripping up a hill. I mean, I'm going super fast. It just pulls, like it just wants to drive through a brick wall. So guys, if you want that pedal going from brick to butter, go get yourself a pedal monster. End of story.